So if you are looking for a fully custom home, which is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms with a 3-car garage in Prosper, Texas, then you're going to want to stick around and watch this home tour. You are in for a treat for how gorgeous this home is. So I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. I am Chrissy Ball, a local real estate agent here in the North Texas area. We absolutely love what this home has to offer. We're located literally minutes away from the PGA headquarters, as well as the Dallas Cowboys headquarters in Frisco, Texas. Walking into the primary bedroom on the first floor, not only is it an open concept, you've got beautiful grass wallpaper that brings in that natural element into this space, but it also has windows that overlooks the pool where you can see the fountains bringing the water element in. A separate seating area so that you really have your own space. Once you shut the doors off, you've got the whole wing of the first floor to yourself to just get away and have your own retreat space. Now, I have a lot of favorites in this home, one of them being the ensuite of the primary room here on the first floor. Not only does the ceiling go 2 stories in this ensuite, but you have 2 vanities separate for him and her. You've got a stand-up shower that connects all the way around to a gorgeous bathtub that really feels like you have your own spa inside of your home. After you're in your ensuite, you go into a huge walk-in closet that is customized in such a unique way, and it leaves room for anything pretty much that you can imagine with all of this space. So as you walk into this kitchen, you are met with functionality and elegance all in one space. I absolutely love how this kitchen has been laid out so that there's cabinetry that really is throughout this entire space, giving you a ton of storage options. But you also have another hidden refrigerator inside of the cabinet, high-end appliances, and a custom fridge. This is truly one of my favorite kitchens just because of how it's laid out. You've got your floor-to-ceiling windows and doors that bring in so much natural light, but it also is complemented by the underlit cabinetry as well as the custom pendant lighting. One of the special features of this home, and one of my favorite really small details, is this custom refrigerator. On the outside, it is black with leather finish, and as you open up the inside of this refrigerator, you can see that it's all black on the inside. So we're seeing that black appliances and black finishes are coming back. So I want to know, do you like the black finish, and do you like this new design element inside of these custom home spaces? Let me know in the comments. as you know, I absolutely love ending these home tours in my favorite space of the home. Now this one, I was struggling with whether to end it here in this multi-purpose room or outside with the custom pool, with the fountains and the multiple sitting areas. But I wanna know from you, what is your favorite space in this home? How would you live in this home and bring your personality into this space? I know that for me and my family, we would probably be living in this section of the house where the kids could go in and out of the pool, playing with all of the different games up on all of the different TVs that are mounted on the wall, having friends here with a ton of food and having a great party. But I wanna know how you would do it and how you would use this home. So let me know in the comments or send me a message if you're interested in building a home just like this in Prosper, as well as Celina, Texas. As always, thank you so much for watching this home tour. You know, I appreciate you hanging out with me on my channel and anywhere on social media. I am always so appreciative of you and just being able to connect with you. So I can't wait for you to join me next time, and I will see you soon.